late at night. Fluorescent dreams under soft white light. Shopping carts are poetry in disguise. Cereal boxes eye me like spies. Oh, I'm an aisle wanderer lost in the glow, where the avocados ripen slow. Pushing my cart down memory lane, finding treasures in a discount frame. Frozen pizzas whisper promises sweet. The produce section smells crisp and neat. I pick the ripest truth from my bowl. The grocery store's got my wandering soul. Oh, I'm an aisle wanderer lost in the glow, where the avocados ripen slow. Pushing my cart down memory lane, finding treasures in a discount frame. The overhead speaker sings a love song for chips, while I'm debating yogurt on my fingertips. The checkout lane feels like a final goodbye to my cart of dreams stacked sky high. Self-checkout asks if I'll bag my pride. I scan my items, but emotions won't hide. Barcode beepers serenade my mind. I'll be back here next week, same grind. The avocados ripen slow. Pushing my cart down memory lane, finding treasures in a discount frame.